I am very happy to note that the Max Value Online MBA program in cooperation with Bardiyar University is getting launched now, and this is a momentous occasion, and I would very much like to be personally be present now, but due to other preoccupation I am unable to be present today. But on the whole, I would say that this initiative has come in a timely manner and which will benefit large number of people who are both working professionals and also those who are aspiring to pursue management related courses, which will really bring them much more additional skills and knowledge, which will stand very much for their future progress. And we know that modern tools of ICT, information communication technology, has developed so much that now anytime anywhere learning is possible, and very serious work can be done even by sitting at a remote place, and equity in access and also the content from the most talented resource persons can be reached to all the people who are in need of that kind of input. And the assessment and evaluation system, because it is cooperation with Bardiyar University, it is being pursued. The program will also go through the rigorous evaluation procedure, so that the people who are getting the degree, they will also have to work hard to earn that degree. And I think that will be the real test for all the students who take this program. And the organizing people who are behind this work, I think they are already having good programs already marked, and the curriculum has been well planned, and the content will be coming from very knowledgeable persons, and the possibility of adding additional topics which are coming forthcoming. This century there will be so many new developments in the even in the business models, and it is a global scenario. India is going to emerge as economic hub and also maybe a center of commerce and culture for the rest of the world. I think they will all look towards India. So at this time, whichever part of India our people are going to take this program, and even the people who are outside India who would like to join in this program, I think the reach is the far and wide, and quality is going to be ensured. So I wish the program all success, and I wish that the very first batch will really be houseful. I hope it will happen, and the success of this program will really go a long way to go for newer and newer initiatives from this group. So I wish them all success. Thank you.